To my teachers, faculty members, parents, and fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Sa loob po ng 3 taon ko sa isip, gusto ko pong mag-thank you sa mga naging teachers ko. From nursery, Ma'am Charlotte, from kindergarten, and from preparatory, Ma'am Chat. Natuto po ako from drawings, shapes, colors. Now I can read, I can write, and I can count. Thank you din po sa mga teachers na nagturo at gumabay sa akin sa maraming events dito sa school. Thank you, classmates and friends, sa kakulitan natin at sa paglalaro and for sharing your foods. Next, to my family, Lola Pago, Lola Beth, Tito Brian, and Lola Feli, and my 2 ates. Thank you po sa paggabay ninyo. Thank you sa walang sawang paggabay ninyo sa akin. Thank you sa 24/7. Mami ko, walang pahinga sa pagpapalaga at pagmamahal. Thank you, Daddy, for being my father. Thank you for providing me all my basic needs. Thank you for my education, and thank you for loving me. I love you, Mommy. I love you, Daddy. Above all,